Hello there. So today I'm playing egg fried rice. Because why not? I got this idea from a YouTuber called Numin. I'll have his channel, the link in the description. So time to go. Do. Come on, you could have at least gave us some loading. You could have at least gave us loading music. It's no good. I'm far too hungry. I'm never going to get sleep. I better see what I got to eat. Well, you know what? You know what my parents would just say? Go back to bed. I don't care that you haven't eaten yet. Too bad. Sleepless night. You tried to sleep without eating, but toss and turn all night, unable setting. The next day you performed poorly at work due to the lack of sleep, and your boss fired you. You fell into depression, some causing your friends and family to tire of your new consistent wigging. One by one, they stopped contacting you. You should have eaten some egg fried rice. Alright, back again. I guess there's 4 endings. We have 1. 3 to go. It's no good. Yeah, we know. You're not gonna be able to get a slave. Cause you got no food. Food. Yeah, sort of right. Oh, let's see here. Expired breath. What? Can over there is broken. I mean, cereal. No, there's no. What are we supposed to do? Wait, huh? Takeaway menu. Examine. A Chinese takeaway? That could be tasty. It all sounds so good. It's late though. I shouldn't have much. I think we'll just get some egg fried rice. Darn, they don't deliver. It's only a short drive to town. I'll just go and order in person. Alright. 2 to take away. Wait. This will help in the dark, yeah. Alright. Card, give me. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to drive civilized. I am definitely. Wait, shoot, it's the left side. I just realized I'm supposed to be driving on the left side. It's the left side car. I like this station. Oh, okay, let's just park here, but take away. Still parking. Park. Oh, here's the takeaway. Fast order egg fried rice. Hold on, what can I get you? 1 egg fried rice. Of course. That'll be 2 eggs. That'll be $2.80. 2 pounds, 80 cents. I don't know. I live in Canada. We use dollars, not pounds. Oh no, I forgot my money. I can move right back to my home and get it. Is that okay? Yes, that is fine. Your food will take a few minutes to prepare, so it should be ready by the time you come back. Do not take too long. We must close it. No problem. I'll be quick. Oh. Please. Just listen. Alright, I guess I'll be nice. I'll close the front door. Alright, to home we go. Alright, let's try not to crash into anything. I don't got enough money. Wait, left side, remember, left side. House in town. Mine. Alright. Get some moolah. Yeah, moolah, yeah. It's my money. Wait. Clippers. There are coins inside. This will cover my egg fried rice. With a coin or two to spare. I'll never get back to pay. Why do you look very familiar? I don't care. Gotta get my egg fried rice. Washington, baby. My purse. Pay for a card. What do you mean? Payment for my fried rice, remember? Did your friend not tell you? Pay for your egg fried rice. My friend? Yes, the man that came in with you before. Paid up and said he would take your egg fried rice straight to you. He is no friend of mine. You let him take my food. You let him take my food, lady? Oh, you sold it. Well, yes. He said. He told me. Oh dear. I'm sorry. We were about to lock up. But I will ask our chef for another egg fried rice. Thank you. That would be great. Wait, right here. I don't believe this. I let that man take my food. Little loser. Here you go. Sorry for the mix-up. That's okay. There has no harm done. Here's your money. Thank you. Don't forget to pick up your egg fried rice before you leave. Good night. Fried rice. Looks delicious. Let's do this. Back home we go. Goodbye, Waffleton. Wait a minute. That man was the dude that took my egg fried rice. Here, let me run him over. I'm gonna run him over. What rock do you hide behind again? I'll run this boy over. This boy will take my food. Is it that rock? I don't think so. Wait, was it that rock? I guess not. Whoa, what the? Is egg fried rice? Is that egg fried rice? I don't believe it. What a mess. Did someone throw this at me? I'm getting kicked out. Oh, what the heck, man. Here. Have to drive slow, get home. I'll sort this in the morning. I can't deal with it now. I just want to eat my egg fried rice. We're gonna go home and hopefully eat the fried rice. Man, it's gonna be so expensive to pay off. I got no money. I spent all my money. I used all my money on egg fried rice. Perfect parking. I can't park like this? I thought this was perfect. Oh, what a meanie. I really thought this was perfect parking. Not even in my driveway. This will explain why I got my license took it away. Oh man. Place your food in the kitchen. Oh, where's the phone? Oh man, you could just call me at this time. Hello? Hello. There's a Chinese takeaway. We have a free bottle of beer for you and a free fortune cookie too. Please come and collect them. Free? Just because I'm mixed up? Yes, that is right. Please come and collect them. Hello. They hung out weird. I quickly go and pick up that free beer and fortune cookie. My egg fried rice would stay warm if I hurry. But should I? Beer! 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 Alright. Do I have a gun in here? Dang it. No gun. Oh man, I was really hoping I had a gun. And is it normal for everyone to put a gun in their toilet? No stations suck. Oh. Oh, we're walking. Out in the dark. Restricted area, but isn't this the road? Wait a minute. Oh, I gotta walk through a sketchy path. Oh, come on. Wait a minute. Aren't you the dude that took through egg fried rice in my car? You're lucky I don't have a gun in my toilet. Wait a minute. But I don't have neighbors. Oh well. Waffle then. Win. We're busy cleaning. Please take your drink. Go. Okay. Nice, free beer. I want to thank them though. Oh wait, I know my good old friend, my good old buddy lives. He used to work here. Yeah, let me go check. Yo, oh, they're dead. This is not good. Okay. Oh, I think everyone's still asleep. Okay, we're gonna go home. Wait a minute. Is that a payphone? Oh, I got a meme. Why can't I go in the payphone? Oh, wait, it's not phone box. Alright. I'm on a payphone trying to call home. Cause I'm eating chicken nugget. Okay, that's not enough. The po-po. Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Criminal investigation. The police came, took your statement. The whole experience took hours. It was extremely stressful. When the police drove to your home, they noticed that your door was open, your house was broken into. The police went inside and found a strange man hiding in the corner. He acted very casual, but they arrested him for murder. The worst part is while he was waiting for you, you returned home, the strange man ate your egg fried rice. Oh, my egg fried rice, man. Back to game. The bonus wheel is available. If enabled, you're running and driving speed will increase. Bet, what's bonus speed? Nice. Yeah. I still got 2 more endings. What do you think? How about I just take the bottle of beer, I drink it, and I get drunk, and I drunkenly eat the egg fried rice. Wait, prank call! Po-po! I shouldn't. Aw, dang it. I can't just read. Okay, let me just trigger it. How's it not triggered? Right, expired. It can't be that bad if it's expired. Take a look. Try to stick it with it. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna shoot. Fast flash. This will help me in the dark. Yeah, what button do you have to use to activate it? They tell me that one, bud. Oops. Don't question. Try it. Take the money. I should just took the money so I didn't have to worry about taking my friend. One egg fried rice. That will be $2.80. Oh no, I forgot my moolah. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the moolah. I'm gonna see if the toilet has a gun. You should be scared. I know my toilet has a gun. Wait, hold up. What card do I have? I think I have a chicken nugget card. Oh, I love chicken nugget cards. Alright. Did I keep my door open? I did. Speed run this. There are coins inside. Let's go my Alright. Parked like crap. Mate, what's wrong? Well, favorite assy, I need a few pennies for the bus. Friends help each other out. Right, friend? Give him a spare. Mate, thanks. You're a hero. I'll be writing songs about you, friend. Just heads out so creepy you weren't running after your car when you left earlier. You gave me weird vibes, you know. Keep your eyes peeled. Yeah, that's wrong. Yep, you took my fries. Alright, we're gonna take the rice. Wait, what happens if I leave the rice here? I don't know, because we're gonna have some egg fried rice. Then we're gonna have some beer. Close the doors. Yeah, the bus does not run at like 3 a.m., buddy. I am super sorry to tell that. But maybe you can drink the soda. Wait, I just realized. Well, this is on a turn. Can I just be like driving backwards? You know, like you can't hit me. Yep, there it is. Yep, it's a fried rice. Haha. Come on, let's go get the beer. Beer and egg fried rice sounds yummy. Let's go. Waffles. How about I give the fortune? I don't really want a fortune. I'll give it to the I'll give it to the dude with the vibes. Still here, right? Where did he go? Huh? Oh man, he's gone. That sucks. Wait, he didn't give me a fortune cookie. Just a free beer. Alright. Home I go. Do 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 do. Do do. So that's trying out. It's just a light saying welcome to Waffleton. Can I walk on the road? I'm walking on the road. They fuck can't walk on the road. What a meanie. Got my beer. Where do I smell cigarettes? I never smoked before. I'm dead. I'm loaded to a trap. A strange man stabbed me multiple times and wounds me, but still alive. He was served and smiling as he watched the life leave your body. He stayed with you until you finally died, murdered for nothing but a sick amusement. He was never caught. Police found the takeaway staff dead the next day, brutally murdered, revealing the CCTV led them to you. They found your blood all over your home. It didn't take no long to find your body stuffed inside your fridge covered in egg fried rice. Alright, that's ending. So I guess they made it. So I can't enjoy beer and eat my egg fried rice. Because the other ending, the dude eats my egg fried rice. He literally eats it. Come on, man. No way you're that hungry. I was trying to eat my egg fried rice. Chinese takeaway. Yeah. Come on, man. Can we get like some other Chinese stuff that's not just egg fried rice? Alright. Gotta go get the fried rice. Not get brutally murdered. Wait. For money. Oh, they made it so I have to come back. That sucks. So what do we do? Quick speed run. Oh yeah, I love this station, bro. Station 5E. Wait a minute. That's a strange man. Wait a minute. I know who he was and why he's decided to follow me. He's the dude I killed in Fortnite. Oh, it's not there. Oh. Maybe he's in here trying to get some fried rice too. Look. I want fried rice. Give me that fried rice. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, are you really just talking about murders? Hey there, buddy. I know it's in the toilet. I know there's a gun in the toilet. I'm gonna use it. God damn. Hate it. I hate it. Just gotta be happy that he didn't stuff my engine full of egg fried rice. That'll be even more expensive to pay off. Broke windshield, a broken engine. I don't got that money. Use all my money on egg fried rice. And the vibe, man. not parked. It's beautiful parking. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Perfect parking. Perfect parking. You don't gotta go through a driver's test. You just gotta watch the videos on YouTube. A video game, bro. That's how you learn how to drive. Just watch your videos on YouTube to learn how to drive, buddy. Oh yeah, where's my money? My money. Money. Yeah, there's coins inside. Where? Do I have like a gun in one of these bags? I don't. Come on. Wow. Oh yeah. Whoopsies. Joe, I can't wait to see the Tide Man. Yo, what's up, Vibrant Man? Yeah. That's what you call a friend instead of a weird goofy dude that steals your egg fried rice. Just give me that fried rice, you know. Just give me the fried rice. I'm gonna eat the fried rice. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna wake up. And yeah. Hopefully it's to come murder you. Here's the old man. Oh, the old man actually left. I was hoping I could say hi to him again. Physical therapy. Oh, I need to go there tomorrow. I didn't pick up the egg fried rice. Oh no. We gotta go save the fried rice. Go, go. We forgot to pick up the rice. Oh. Thank God y'all still open. Alright, now let's go back home. Yeah, I could have eaten fried rice right now. Yeah, just gonna vibe my way home. Okay, let's drive it, baby. Come on. Yeah, it's fried rice. Let's do this. Okay, what did I think Joe Biden. I already told him I'm not gonna pay those taxes. Oh, let's try these anyway. I don't think I should be getting that beer. Eat. Oh yeah, baby. Eating some nice fried rice. Slap surgery without one cost. After finishing your egg fried rice, you went back to bed. As soon as your head hit the pillow, you fell into a deep, peaceful sleep. However, the next morning, you both were impacted by your sister to turn down a free drink fortune cookie due to a little fear and uncertainty. The memory of the ceiling is poor choice helps you to live the rest of your life with an unshakable sense of how the mental hung up of ruining and otherwise a nice meal meant you could never again fully enjoy the one delicious taste of egg fried rice. Well, that's the game. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.